Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and right behind me we have a 2026 Genesis G70 that we just outfitted with a set of ESR wheels. This is the latest from ESR. It's the CS-18 in the chrome finish. They come 19 by 8.5 plus 35 all set, 501 14.3. You'll need lug nuts, 12 by 1.5 millimeter conical seat, and then hub ring 72 to 67.1. Works great, hub centric. And then tire size, you use 225 40-19, the factory rubber, the Michelin's. And then this is a staggered setup, guys. So it's a 19 9.5 on the back. So it's a positive 35 all set, running a 255 35-19, which is your factory rubber. Goes well, clears well, sits flush against the fender, and it gives it a nice staggered look. So if you're looking for a nice chrome option for your Genesis G70, gives it a nice flashier look, check out this ESR CS-18 and feel free to give us a call. Thank you guys.